Hello, good morning, students. So, we are on this topic impurity defect. So, in solid state, this point of impurity defect is very important for your exam point of view, actually. So, we have studied about Frankel defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defects, Frankel defect, and Schottky defect. In case of Frankel defect, what happened? A cation is displaced from its place and it will occupy the place of a vacant void, right? But in case of Schottky effect, what will happen? Pair of ions are missing from the whole lattice. Pair of ions are missing. Due to missing ion or missing part constituent particles, what will happen? Total density of the lattice will decrease, right? But in case of Frankel defect, no lowering of density. Why? Lowering of low density in that case? Because atoms are replaced from one point to another point, right? So now our third point is impurity defect. Impurity defect is a defect which take place in ionic compounds or ionic solid compound, crystalline solid compound, right? Now, what is impurity defect? Actually, impurity defect is a defect which happen due to difference in vacancy, or you can say difference in valency, right? Let's start with this topic. Impurity defect. SrCl2, CaCl2, you may add AgCl2, cadmium chloride. So SrCl2, CaCl2 is added to molten NaCl, right? And it is crystallized. Means if you have a molten NaCl compound and you are going to add one of them, so what happens if you add SrCl2 or CaCl2 in molten NaCl? After crystallization of that compound or that mixture, some of Na ions are replaced by Sr2 plus. Some of Na ions are, that is NaCl, compound is NaCl, and one Na plus is replaced by, sorry, not one, two Na plus is replaced by Sr2 plus or Ca2 plus ions. Each Sr2 plus or Ca2 plus ion replace two Na plus, or it occupies the site of one of the ions and the other site remains vacant. So this is the whole process by which you can understand the impurity defects, right? You can take example of cadmium chloride or silver chloride also. Cadmium chloride and silver chloride. That is the defect between NaCl and Sr2, CaCl2. Another example will be AgCl and silver chloride. If suppose you are taking crystal of silver chloride and adding some impurity of cadmium chloride, right? Cadmium chloride. So what will happen? One Cd cadmium 2 plus ion will replace 2 Ag plus ion, right? One will replace 2 Ag plus ion. So one space remain empty or vacant, or one lattice point remain empty. So let us understand this by the help of diagram, right? First of all, again I am repeating this, SrCl2, CaCl2 is added to molten NaCl and it is crystallized. So what happened? Some of Na plus ions are replaced by Sr2 plus. Okay. Now I am going to explain it with the help of diagram. So what to is, let us understand. Suppose that it is our NaCl lattice. NaCl. 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 Is it one more row? NaCl. Na, right? Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus. So what will happen if this NaCl or molten NaCl, if you add some amount of what SrCl2, so charge on Na is 1 positive and charge on Sr is 2 positive, right? So what will happen if molten NaCl, if Sr2 plus is added in molten NaCl, this Sr2 plus will occupy a space of Na, Sr2 plus. But here valency is 2 plus, so not a one ion of Na will replace, it will replace 2 Na plus. So again our neutrality is maintained. It means what? अगर मैं क्या करता हूँ, किसी भी मोल्टन स्टेट में सोडियम क्लोराइड है और मैं SrCl2 को ऐड करता हूँ उसके अंदर, तो वो क्या करता है, SrCl2 में 2 पॉजिटिव होता है और NaCl में 1 पॉजिटिव होता है. जब Sr यहाँ पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव की न्यूट्रलिटी भी मेंटेन रखनी है हमें, तो जब मैं Sr2 प्लस को यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ, इसका मतलब कि 2 प्लस चार्ज यहाँ से हटना चाहिए, तो मैं एक Na को हटा के Sr2 प्लस रख तो देता हूँ, लेकिन दूसरा वाला स्पेस मेरा एम्प्टी रह जाता है. ये स्पेस एम्प्टी क्यों रह गया? क्योंकि मुझे 2 प्लस चार्ज हटाना था, तो मैंने एक Na यहाँ से हटाया, एक Na यहाँ से हटाया और दोनों में से किसी एक पोजीशन पे Sr2 प्लस को रख दिया, राइट? सो इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पर एक डिफेक्ट आ जा रहा है, एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट, राइट? So this is the flow chart of whole defects in crystal that we have studied. Crystal defect. What is crystal defect? Defect in arrangement of ions or missing ion. Crystal defect is of 2 types: point defect and line defect. So in our syllabus there is only point defect, no side defect, line defects. So point defects is of 4 types, right? First it is of 3 types: stomachic and non-stomachic. Stomachic defects are those point defects in which there is no change in the stometry, but in case of non-stomachic defect there is some change in stometry. So we have studied the whole stomachic part. And in our next video I will start our non-stomachic deficient part, right? So first is vacancy. Vacancy means if a lattice point is vacant due to defect, that defect is called vacancy defect. Interstitial, if interstitial defect is that type of defect in which atoms are missing from its lattice point and occupy the space of void, right? Void means the blank space between 2 atoms or 4 atoms, right? Next is our interstitial. Okay, done. Stomachic defect, as we discussed, stomachic defect, in case of a stomachic defect, equal pair of ions are missing. Now, and next is Frankel defect. So what happened in Frankel defect? In case of Frankel defect, ions are missing from its lattice points and occupy the space of void. Vacancy and interstitial for non-metal or covalent compounds, and stoichiometric defect and Frenkel defect for ionic compounds. Right? And non-stoichiometric defect we'll discuss in our next video. Right? What is non-stoichiometric defect? Actually, non-stoichiometric defects change its stoichiometry. Means you can say change its formula. It is of these four types: metal excess defect, metal excess defect due to anion, and metal excess defect due to cation, F center, and metal excess due to interstitial void. So these are example of non-stoichiometric defect, and we will discuss it in next video. So keep learning. Thanks for today. We will discuss these points in our next video.